time, and it is a nasty, wet, rainy kind of day. And it's one of those days where I kind of wish I had my side-by-side with some doors on it. Now, the factory doors are outrageous. Even those half doors are $1,600 plus. But what about some soft doors? Now, we're looking at the UFORCE 800 XL today. And there's not really that many options for doors. You've got the factory half door, you've got the factory full door. But what about just some cheap soft doors? Now, there is a company that makes soft doors for this machine, but they're high. I did reach out to them, but they weren't interested in working with us. But you know who was interested in working with us? I'll give you one little guess. It's StarknightMT once again, guys. And there's an urban legend on the internet. Got them good packaged. Got this packaging all over the doors here. Get it all off. So I've got this side installed, and I'll be honest with you, it fits way better than I even thought it would. Great. I'd seen some reports saying there was a gap up here, but I mean, not really for me. I mean, it goes underneath here really good. Now, the only really spot I see I had issues with was right here, right around this mirror. If this mirror was just a little bit farther forward, I think it would be perfect. Zippers are nice. They're double-sided, so you can zip it, obviously, in or out. The bottom of the doors, Velcro, and so you can open it up and really have access to the whole thing. All right, so we've seen how good the fit is from the outside. How good is it on the inside? And I've never been inside a enclosed side-by-side, so it's kind of weird and cool at the same time. So this is the fit. I see we've got right here. Our Velcro didn't quite want to touch. You could get out there and push it. I will here in a little bit. Right here we can see I do have some air going straight out. I don't know that would affect anything. It is like that. You can see that's the way it is before you start, pushing it out. I can kind of pull it in a little bit with that. So let's take this thing for a spin. It quit raining. Maybe it'll start raining back in a little bit. I want to see how, dry I stay. I would imagine I'd stay 95% dry at least, where if you didn't have these, you might be 60% dry. So that's quite a bit of a difference. So, do the UFORCE 1000 XL doors fit on a UFORCE 800 XL? You better believe they do, and it looks good. Now, I'll be honest with you, soft doors are not my favorite look, but they serve a great purpose, and I promise you, 5 a.m. in the wintertime when you're going deer hunting, these things are going to be your best